Welcome to vending99.com. Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. This is our QR equipped vending machine. This is our T vending machine. This is up to from 2 lane to 4 lane. Every lane have its own price. You can see when we press first button, it will ask price of ₹1, and this QR is appearing, will show the same amount of QR code. I press second button, the price is ₹2 and the QR code again scan. Now the QR code appear for ₹2, just pay it.
₹2 received on phone pay.
So machine is again ready. This is the 3-lane machine. So we look at inside. This is the canister. Like 2 more canister can be feed there, and the ingredient of tea and coffee, soup, etc. can be feed there, and machine is ready to vend. You need to put a bubble top bottle, and if you want to keep bottle at bottom, so you can ask me machine with integrated pump. So we give the machine with pump too. So this is our automatic machine, and it also take care of the number of cup consumed and how much the material remains in the canisters. This give you online records on demand. Thank you. We hope you place us good order, and like and subscribe us. We meet you in next video with some new developments.